Hi, this video is about the Nova folding bath and shower chair. So when you get the bath chair, it comes fully assembled in the folded position, and then also you have the backrest that you have to install. So I wanted to show you that this is what the folding shower chair looks like in a folded position. This is a unique feature about this product that allows it to fold, and that makes it great for storage. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to open up the bath chair. First, you're going to unfold the frame. So the front legs are facing forward. Next, lift up the seat, and you'll notice under the seat are two red brackets. Go ahead and pull those brackets all the way out. Now you're going to want to line up the tube with the cradle so the hole under the tube fits over the pin. And then push down. Now you're going to move the hook all the way in so it latches over the tube. And the last step is to insert the backrest. So you'll see two holes here, and they're just going to insert over the tube. So do one side and just do it partially. And then on the other side, you'll pull the tube into the hole and then push all the way down to make sure it's nice and secure. So this bath chair is foldable and also comes with the feature of that U-shaped cutout, and that's such a convenient feature, making cleaning a lot easier. All right, there you go. That is the foldable bath chair, and as with all of Nova products, it comes with their care, use, warranty information, and most importantly, how to contact us anytime.